In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Elementor website. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. There are several ways to create a backup, but here I will walk you through the easiest and most reliable method. On the left-hand side menu, hover your mouse over Plugins, and from the menu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This will open the plugin installation page where you will see a search box at the upper right-hand side of your screen. In this search box, type Updraft Plus. Once the results load, you will see the Updraft Plus plugin listed along with an Install Now button. Click on it, and when the installation completes, the button will change to Activate. Simply click on it again, and your plugin will be successfully activated. Now go back to your list of installed plugins, find Updraft Plus, and click on the Settings option beneath it. Here you will see a large button that says Backup Now. Click on this button and make sure both boxes are checked, which include your database and your files. Then click on Backup Now once again. You will notice a progress bar showing the backup process, and depending on the size of your website, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the process is complete, you will see your backup listed on the same screen. From here, you can restore your website to this point at any time if something goes wrong by clicking the Restore button. You also have the option to delete it if you no longer need it. If you prefer to download a copy of your backup to your computer, which is especially helpful in case of server issues, Updraft Plus provides that option as well. You will notice that the backup is divided into different sections, such as database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. You can click on each of these sections one by one and select Download to your computer. This allows you to save the individual backup files locally. Later, if you need to upload them again, you can return to the same settings page and use the Upload Backup Files option to re-add them. This way, you have both an online and offline copy of your Elementor website secured. And that is how you can back up your Elementor website.